What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush Mini Helmet Random Divisions number 5. Going live. Timestamp is 9:40. Already have the divisions and the names in. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is an 8, going 8 times. We randomize both. Throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. NFC North on top, AFC East on the bottom. AEKRJT is the code for the divisions. To the names, again, 4 or more, it is 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Brian on top, Andrew on the bottom. EEZDSL is the code for the names. There you go, guys. That is who you have. And we are done. Timestamp 941. Thanks, guys. Good luck.